If you've been thinking about taking control of your retirement savings and investing beyond traditional stocks and bonds, a self-directed IRA or solo 401k can be an incredibly powerful tool. And the good news is making your first investment is much, much easier than most people think. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make your first self-directed investment confidently and, of course, compliantly, including what kinds of alternative assets are popular, where you can buy them, and how to approach your first deal. Hi, I'm Adam Bergman, tax attorney and founder of IRA Financial. Over the last 15 years, I've helped tens of thousands of investors invest almost $5 billion in alternative assets. IRA Financial is probably doing over 150,000 different types of self-directed investments. So I've seen them all, okay? And I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to know to do your first self-directed investment. And the good news is it's easy. Nothing to worry about. Here's the first thing you need to do. You got to choose what you want to invest in. That is the beauty of doing a self-directed retirement account. Whether it's an IRA or if you're self-employed, a 401k, you literally have a world of investment opportunities. There's essentially only three things you can't do. You can't buy life insurance, can't buy collectibles like art, and thirdly, you can't engage in a self-dealing transaction, meaning you can't do anything that personally benefits you, your lineal descendants, your parents, your children, your spouse, daughter-in-law, son-in-law, or any entities controlled 50% or more by such persons. So you can buy real estate and rent it to a third party. You can even transact with a brother, sister, aunt, uncle, cousin, friend. You can do private stock. You can do gold, cryptos, hedge funds, private equity, venture capital, domestic real estate, commercial, foreign real estate. You literally can do almost anything you want except the three things I just mentioned. So the first part's the most exciting. You get to pick what you want to do, right? Whether it's helping a neighbor buy a house, whether it's helping a friend maybe fund a business, buying gold, Bitcoin, whatever you want to do, you essentially can do it. And the beauty of using a self-directed IRA and a 401k is, guess what? You don't pay tax. When you invest using a self-directed or a solo 401k, all the income and gains generally flows back to your retirement account tax-free, right? That's why we're here. That is why, as a tax lawyer, I am so excited to be talking to you about self-directed accounts. This is how smart people get richer. You're going to compound your returns because they're not subject to taxation. So you have the ability to invest in almost anything you want. And there's no right or wrong, right? As long as you're not violating a prohibited transaction rule, and if you work with IRA Financial, we're not going to let you do it. In 15 years, I've never had a client have their IRA in any way audited or come in under any scrutiny, and of course, ever become terminated due to an IRS attack. So we are going to make sure you stay in full compliance. The second thing is easy. You got to set up a self-directed account. And of course, you want to pick a custodian that knows what they're doing, has the expertise, the experience, and I think flat fees. So you're not going to pay beyond what you should be paying for a self-directed IRA custodian like IRA Financial, which is regulated, which has the authority to custody and administer retirement accounts. You don't need to spend a lot. You just want to pick the right custodian for a fair price that's going to give you great service, great record keeping, great IRA administration, and annual compliance. And we do it at a flat fee, which we're very proud of. So as your IRA investment goes up in value, you're going to pay us the same amount. So once you've picked your investment, you've hopefully opened your account at IRA Financial. Like, why else? Where else would you go, right? Come on. And then thirdly, you get to fund your investment, right? So let's do an example. Adam, well, pick me because I've done, 12 or 13 self-directed investments. So I've kind of seen it all. And I've generally done almost every type of IRA investment other than like buying Turkish bonds. Anything from real estate to cryptos to gold, private placements. I've done them because, of course, when I started IRA Financial, I wanted to make sure I understood how all these investments work. So let's just take a simple one. You want to invest in a private startup, okay? You find the startup, you open an account at IRA Financial through our app or website. Literally takes you 5 minutes. Thirdly, let's say you have 100K at Fidelity and you want to use the 100K to invest in the private company. So we are going to initiate the transfer. It's tax-free anytime you move money between IRAs. So when the Fidelity IRA moves to IRA Financial, it will be tax-free, penalty-free. So don't worry. So the $100,000 will move to IRA Financial. Generally takes anywhere from like 3 to 7 days, depending on the institution. Of course, you'll be notified when the money hits. And then you'll just need to go on our website or app and then tell us where to send the money. And that's called an investment authorization form. And you'll say, okay, send the money to company XYZ. Probably need to sign a private placement. We will sign it on behalf of your IRA. Or if you use an LLC, we'll fund your LLC so you can make the ultimate investment into the private placement, right? So you have two choices. You can do a self-directed IRA, or you can do the checkbook control that gives you a little bit more control. Or if you're self-employed, the solo 401k, which will allow you to do that. And as the trustee, you can just do the investment on your own. Now it's IRA Financial's job. We will keep your IRA in good compliance with the IRS. We'll follow IRS Form 5498 each year, valuing your IRA. If you take a distribution, we will issue a 1099-R to the IRS. If there are any changes in the law, of course, we'll notify you. But we are your record keeper, we're your administrator, and we're probably the only self-directed IRA company in the space that actually offers discounted annual consulting compliance services. So if you have tax returns or you have questions on contributions, distributions, perimeter transactions, required minimum distributions, UBIT, anything, our tax professionals in-house will help you. And that service is literally under $300, right? So where else are you going to hire a lawyer for $300 to answer any questions you have during the year? Ready to make your first self-directed investment? You definitely need to schedule a free consultation with IRA Financial. We'll walk you through your account options, guide you step-by-step through the entire process, and make sure everything stays organized and, of course, compliant. Now, I'm obviously not objective, right? I founded IRA Financial, but there's no one better in the space that's going to help you make your first investment, make sure it's compliant, make sure it's tax efficient, and make sure that you can keep doing what you want to do, which is worry about your life and making sure your investments go up so we can handle all the tedious IRS boring stuff. And that's what we do best. So definitely give us a call. We have an amazing team of tax professionals standing by that will answer all your questions, and it's all free. So call us, chat us, set up a free Calendly consultation. We'd love to talk to you.